Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March 23rd, 2022. We are going to talk about GALA today and try to show you all a pattern that I've recognized on this price chart to try to let us know what to be in store for. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do the price predictions without the confusion. You guys can see from the price chart right in front of you that I simply look at the price bars and the volumes to try to grasp as to what is the market sentiment of all of the market participants. Like, what is everyone trying to do in terms of their own money? And once you guys can actually distinguish between whether or not the market is strong or weak, you can actually get in position and win in the market to give us that edge. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I am not here about all the FUD and all the FOMO. There's enough YouTube channels already trying to pump these cryptocurrencies to the moon, and I bring things back down to earth and be a little bit more realistic in terms of where price is going to go. So if you guys want to join me, like I said earlier, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to our channel. Now, another thing that is different about me and everyone else is that I actually document where I expect price to go. You guys can see right now on your chart that I did a video for GALA right here on March the 9th. You guys can see it. I was planning on the price in GALA to go down in price, and I was looking for the market to head a little bit lower in terms of seeing the market might hit around 17-18 cents. You guys can see that the market buyers only came in right here. Okay, so the market buyers came in a lot earlier than what I originally intended. Now, I'm not necessarily sure where I had my first area of taking profit. It might have been around 20 cents. So the market buyers really came into this area here following my price prediction. So if you was able to at least grab some of this profitability out of the market in GALA on these days down here, congratulations, right? That's 10.5% right there. And you have multiple days to which you could have garnered that 10.5% out the market, because the market literally hugged 21 cents on a multiple account of days. You guys can see it right here. So let me go ahead and get rid of that, because this simply means that there's a pattern going on. There's something that is going on in the market that you just need to be paying attention to. And the fact is that the buyers are there, right? When you see a cumulative amount of days to where the market is getting hit with selling, like right here, and the price is not falling, it is able to maintain elevation around 21 cents. That's because the buyers are accumulating this particular cryptocurrency at that price level. And since that time, you guys can tell that GALA has been going up in price. It's just that simple. There's nothing else needed to be involved in these markets. It's simply about supply and demand, interest, stockpile. Like, where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? And this is where the buyers are located during the month of March, beginning of March. It's just that simple. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this, because obviously we now know that the direction of GALA is one of higher prices. Yeah, the market is trying to go up, plain and simple. We can see that. And now we need to try to document, okay, how high can we see this price go then, right? This is the daily time frame. And you guys can definitely tell that GALA is on an upward trend, which also confirms that the buyers are controlling the market. So as long as GALA continues to trend higher alongside this trend line, we already know where we're going to go. Yeah, we're going to go up in price. And you guys can see that we got the confirmation on these 2 days, the 21st of March, and then again here on March the 18th. So we're going to hold that. Now, this is only on a daily time frame. This is not like a long-term ascending line. This is just one that we have noticed on the daily time frame. All right. So rather than me cause confusion, let me go ahead and get rid of these other lines, because we want to document what is the current sentiment of this market, right? Let me bring this one back, because this one might play a role into how high GALA is going to go, right there. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this, and let's go ahead and look at GALA on a different time frame. So this is the market in GALA on a 3-day time frame. You guys can tell that right here, again, during the beginning half of March, this is where the market should have fell. This is where the price in GALA should have completely fell off below that 21 cent area, but it didn't. So it tells us that the strength is still here into the market in GALA. Now, this particular 3-day price bar right here is called a probable precursor of strength, meaning that the market will have to, on this current 3-day price bar, close higher. Because if so, then it gives us the confirmation that, again, the buyers are running the yard. They're still here in place to uplift this coin's price. Okay. So now let's look at this on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see here again in the market and GALA on the 2-day time frame, we're still seeing sellers, right? We got 14 hours and 8 minutes left, and we're still seeing sellers into the market in GALA. Well, how do you know that there's sellers here? You might be asking. Well, it's simple. Price is closing off the high. If the market in GALA truly were strong, we will be seeing the price trade up here at the high of the bar. It's not right now, but in the next 14 hours and 8 minutes, we might just see that. If so, then definitely price is anticipated to go higher in price. Okay, look at this on the 5-day. So again, what we're noticing here on the chart is that GALA is kind of mixed. It's not really leaning more towards seeing a lot of strength or weakness, but seeing that the market trend is in place, seeing that the buyers came in and held price above 21 cents, we will have to lean more towards seeing GALA go up in price. But being that it's not necessarily clearly visible on the price chart on changing the time frames, it might not go that high, right? I want to set your expectations to not think that this coin is going to shoot up to 50 cents, right? We don't see that necessarily on the chart right now. Let's go ahead and look at GALA on the weekly time frame. And these weekly price bars right here, this weekly price bar, this one, and this one all resembles people selling their GALA into the market. But one of the good things is that the price hasn't fell. It's been maintaining that weakness. Like they've been holding up a great fight, the buyers have, against those trying to sell their GALA into the market. They've been doing a fantastic job of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to play the strength into the market in GALA. But let me set your expectations. I don't want you all to think that I'm massively bullish. No, because these weekly price bars right here still tells us that there's still some sellers there. They haven't gone out the way. They're still trying to drop off their GALA into the market. So let's go ahead and run this back here into the market. This is it on the 11-hour chart. And you guys can see a kind of a better indication as to, okay, how high can we see the price go, right? So the price movement in GALA, we can literally see restriction at 25 cents. Like we were already seeing the market get rejected there around 25 cents here on these 11-hour price bars. So this is how we know that there's sellers up there around 25, maybe 25.5 cents. So we need to be prepared for that. You might want to take the profitability right there. 25.5 cents, 25 cents, give or take. Now we do that. You can see it. It's only about 4 3/4. I know you guys might say, man, that's minuscule. That's nothing. But it's something because you're coming out more with what you originally went in with. You're coming out 4.79% more than what you originally went into the play with, right? So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Let me go ahead and try to play some strength into the market in GALA. Now we're going to continue to play the strength as long as the buyers continue to hold price above 21 cents, right? We know that they're there. So even if we do see GALA come down, break this trend, as long as the buyers continue to hold price around 21 cents, it's just going to take long for us to continue to see the price go up. That's all. But I really want to see the buyers hold this trend. The sooner that we see the buyers hold this trend, the better that price is going to go up. Okay. Now the first area for us to try to grab the bag is going to be around 26 cents. That's where I'm going to look for the market price in GALA to try to run and hit. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this on the daily time frame. And I'm going to bring up there towards 26, maybe 27 cents. It gives us around 10 3/4% profitability. So the first area is 26, second area is around like 27, maybe 28 on this horizontal line that I already identified from our last video. All right, let's pay attention to see if the buyers are really willing and able to break 27.5 cents, because if so, it's going to be a bigger movement to the upside in GALA. And so far, especially if we close higher than the previous close of yesterday in GALA, the better. It still tells me that the buyers want to move price higher. So this is it. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in GALA. Definitely keep your eyes open on that 25 cent level. If the buyers cannot overtake 25 cents to the upside, we're going to continue to trade sideways, and the probability of us going lower is greater. All right. So I just want to come through, give you all this updated price prediction into the market in GALA. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm noticing on the chart, and this is what I'm anticipating. So now I want you all to drop me a comment real quick and tell me, what do you see? I mean, do you see something totally different? If so, that's cool. Everyone has their own brain, have their own idea, their own strategy as to where they're looking for a price to move. Just let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.